You've probably heard the phrase, left brain people are logical, right brain people are creative. It sounds catchy, but here's the truth, that's an oversimplified myth. Both sides of your brain, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere, are constantly working together. However, some functions are a bit more specialized on one side. Let's explore what each hemisphere really does. On the left side of the brain, language is the star. This is where you speak, read, and write. It includes Broca's area in the frontal lobe, which helps you produce speech, and Wernicke's area in the temporal lobe, which helps you understand it. The left hemisphere also handles maths, logic, and step-by-step thinking, the detail-oriented part of your brain. On the right side, the focus shifts to context and creativity. This hemisphere helps you navigate space, read maps, and judge distances. It also lets you recognize faces and voices, and enjoy music. Importantly, the right side helps you pick up on tone, humor, and sarcasm in language. It's the part of your brain that takes the big picture and gives meaning to details. Working together, the two hemispheres communicate through a bridge of fibers called the corpus callosum. Without it, the hemispheres can't share information. Example, your left hemisphere understands the words in a song, while your right hemisphere enjoys the melody, and the corpus callosum ties it together. Let's play a quick game. Which hemisphere is more active when you